Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is related to TCS NQT 25 exam result in interview. Those candidates who received the mail today from TCS team, I will share the region wise result update and batch status is showing what about the interview update. And I received lot of queries, there is no update of TCS result. So what about the next update? Okay, so in the video we will discuss about everything. First of all, I am sharing all the updates with all of you that is related to TCS NQT and other companies, and I shared the Hexagon company hiring. So the application process is here, and I received the mail from candidate people box that your profile is shortlisted. So apply for opportunity as soon as possible. This is very important for all of you. First of all, let's discuss about the TCS NQT result. Okay, I created poll on our WhatsApp group, and on everyday basis, most probably on everyday basis, I will check with candidate. Okay, on everyday basis candidates are receiving the result from the TCS NQT team. Just see that TCS NQT result received shortlisted mail today. 37 candidate mentioned yes, and 142 candidate mentioned there is no update. Okay, similarly on second group, 37 candidate mentioned that there is a update, and 140 candidate mentioned there is no update. Okay, I created another poll. TCS NQT result batch status is showing and received official TCS mail. Batch status is showing and received official TCS mail. Batched showing but no official mail. Batched showing no official mail. Okay, and no update 171 candidates and 143 candidates. So why I am creating this type of poll? One most important point, just read this message. Hi everyone, those who received TCS shortlisted mail today, please mention your role, state, region. It will be very helpful for all candidates, and on everyday basis share details and DM. So it will definitely helpful for everyone. Okay, so this is the today's result. Okay, this is the today's result, and in the multiple region candidates are receiving the result. This is called the phases. Okay, this is not a single date. As I already said, 2 to 3 days ago result is released. Okay, I said that that is not a single date of result. There are multiple dates of result. Okay, multiple dates of result are there, and they are sharing the result in the form of phases according to the region wise, according to the state wise, and in the batches. Okay, they release the result, and I already tell the meaning of batches in the previous video, that suppose they are sending the in the form of batches. Suppose they are sending on everyday basis 200 to 250 candidates, they are sending the result. Okay, they are sending result to 200 to 250 candidates on daily basis. Okay, TCS Prime Kerala region solved 2 test cases in first question and 4 from second. Role Ninja State Maharashtra status batched is still received today. Okay, so what about the other status update? I received Prime mail today from Andhra Pradesh. I received Ninja role Nagpur region. So you see on my screen that many of the candidates, they are from West Bengal, Nagpur, Maharashtra location, they are from Andhra Pradesh, they received the update. Hello, role selected for Prime state and region Maharashtra Pune, Ninja role Andhra Pradesh Vijayawada. Okay, and many of the candidates, they also received the mail. State West Bengal, region Kolkata, role Prime, shift is 14th April, numerical. This questions are right, like how many number of questions correct in that. Advanced reasoning 12 plus, first code 7 out of 7 test cases, and second code. So if you solve with the 1 to 1.5, like 1.5 to 2 coding question is correct, so there is a chances of Prime. Role Ninja state Maharashtra. So this is called the phases and region. According to your region, according to your state, you will receive the result. Okay, many of the candidates are asking, still there is no update. Okay, my examination performance is very good, still I not receive any kind of update. So guys, here the patience is very important. Your patience is very important. On daily basis, okay, on daily basis candidates are receiving the result. So this is called the phases process, and this is good update. Okay, this is good update because we are receiving the result in the form of phases. Okay, so यहाँ पर worry नहीं होना है, don't worry, because the thing is they are not sending any kind of rejection mail. On everyday basis they are sending the update, they are sending the results. Okay, so according to your exam performance you will receive the result from the TCS team. So that's the update of today. And if the batched status is showing, Suppose if your badged status is showing and still you not receive mail, please wait for some time, because previously badged means you are shortlisted for interview. Okay, so this time also will be same. Okay, and what about the interview process? So TCS selection process, TCS NQT next round interview process. Greetings from TCS, congratulations, we are happy to inform that you have been shortlisted for TCS Ninja interview. Your interview will be planned to coming weeks 19th May to 10th June. This is the big update. Okay, we know that interviews is started from 19, 20, 21, 22, but till 10th June, okay, we received the update that interview will be ongoing, will be going to will be planned, or we can say that it will be scheduled to up to 10th June. Basis on the available interview slot, the exact details like interview date, location will be shared with you prior in advance, at least 2 days before. It will be not be possible to reschedule any interview. Your interview may be scheduled at any location within Andhra Pradesh or Telangana, with primary location like Hyderabad, Vijayawada or Tirupati, subject to slot availability. The location of your interview can be in Tirupati region, however this is provisional and not yet finalized. Please remain flexible as your final interview location may vary based on logistical consideration. Kindly confirm your interest and availability for planned drive, and you have to fill the survey form before 18th May. So the thing is, they are asking your details, you have to fill the survey form. Okay, and according to that they will plan your interview. So we will receive the update that up to 10th June there are interviews. So according to the region, according to the states, interview will be going on. Okay, so this is the update of current TCS exam result and update, and no need to worry about that. We are receiving the result in the form of pages on the daily basis. So apply for opportunity. Thanks for watching the video.